This video describes how to use the M1-mini. Firstly, we unpacked it when we got it. There's an M1-mini in there. An instruction sheet. There's a QR code on it. Scan the QR code to download the Cougar and watch the game tutorial. One USB port on each side is for the keyboard and mouse. This interface is for power on use. We click on the browser of the tablet or mobile phone. Click on the code to scan. Here's the download for our app. This is an Apple tutorial. Game setup and mobile activation tutorial. Here's a tutorial on gun pressure. We click on the icon to download. Installation of the app is pretty much the same. This is our app Cougar. Now let's power up. You can see the light is blinking all the time. Blinking proves Bluetooth is not connected. We click on the Cougar. This pop-up permissions allow. Allow. Select the authorization. We're sleeping. Click on the Cougar. Open. Other mobile phones or tablets operate similarly. Now we connect the keyboard. This is a mouse. We click on the red font. Here you can see there is a M1-mini Bluetooth. We click on pairing. It's connected now. As you can see, this is the Android version 118. Press the wheel to call out the pointer. Click on Settings. Turn on the virtual mouse arrows. Here you can modify the style of the pointer. Here you can adjust the speed of the pointer. OK. Press the wheel to call out the virtual pointer. Click on Settings. Change mode. Here is the Android Bluetooth mode. We click to open. iOS Bluetooth mode. MediaTek activation mode. If we need to cast the screen, need to open this. Android 13 cast need to see MediaTek activation tutorials. Android 14 cast screen would not need to be activated. To cast the monitor we need to open this, then fill in the resolution. Some tablet keystrokes are not mapped correctly. You also need to go and turn on the cast mode. Just reconnect the Bluetooth with T and you'll be fine. This is League of Legends mode. Minecraft Edition play other games do not open. Some phones or tablets don't respond. You may need to use the activation mode. Watch the MediaTek activation tutorial to activate the use. Here is the switch for dynamic gun pressure. Just watch the corresponding tutorial on gun pressure. Click to add. Allow. PUBG Mobile. Click on Settings. Selection of the scope mode clicks. The Cougar's scope mode needs to be synchronized with the scope mode set by the app. Click or long press, otherwise it will affect the gun pressure. Disable. Enable. Tap. Switch on the probe function. Here too, the settings need to be synchronized. Click or long press. Pick open scope. Camera rotation while leaning, disable. Universal mark enable. Quick throw enable. Switch. Throw consumables enable. Open aim assist. Turn off gyroscope. Disable. Smooth. Select the highest frame rate. Select the third. Select the second one. Uniform 30% sensitivity. Click on the hoverball. Edit keys. Preset. PUBG Mobile System Preset. Different resolution for different mobile phones or tablets. Keys may not always correspond exactly. We can adjust the button positions ourselves. Just drag and drop the buttons to the corresponding functions. You need to use the left fire button, otherwise there is a risk of viewpoint lag. Buttons can be clicked to delete. Here you can also click on the Add button. Press the corresponding key on the keyboard to add the perspective. Keys need to be placed in an open position. Don't have a button next to it to cover the, otherwise it will affect the viewpoint movement. Introducing how the carrier is set up. Click on the hoverball. Show keys. Drag the game's buttons to align the Cougar's buttons. Left click to accelerate. Right brake. These buttons are not fixed and can be set by yourself. Here's a similar way to set up. Drag and drop the game buttons to align them and you're ready to go. After completion of adjustments, hidden keys. Let's get into the game and see the results. All these features are fine. We've got one-click multiplier switching. Click on the collimator. Drag the wave key to align the alignment mirror switch position. F1, F2, F3 is automatically aligned with the corresponding. Quickly switch between different magnifications. Some people can't get in and out of the car. Let's set it up. This is the drop-off button. Customize buttons. Keys can be dragged to overlap. Using X won't affect the view movement. If we get off with another button, edit keys. For example, with the number 3. Config. Avoid car view stuck. This way, it won't cause the viewpoint to fail to move. If the keyboard and mouse don't respond, we can also click to test. Press the keys on the keyboard. Whether or not there is a green dot on it corresponding to the display. If not, we can go back to Cougar to see if it's connected or not. Some devices require activation to work.